Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make use of the CISD indicator for MT4 and MT5. All right, you're going to find a link to the MT4 and MT5 versions in the description, but in this video, I'm going to be, focusing on the MT4. Okay. After you've downloaded the file, you have to extract it, copy the indicator file, whether EX4 or the MQL5 or MQL4 or EX5, copy it and go and paste in your terminal's indicator folder. After which you have to get back to your terminal and refresh your navigator or restart the terminal. Okay, if refreshing navigator does not work, then just restart the terminal. But refreshing the navigator should work if it was the EX4 or EX5 file that you pasted. Now, the CISD indicator is gonna be the Lux Algo change in state of delivery. So this change in state of delivery is the long form of CISD. That's the full meaning of CISD. Okay, ensure that you allow DLL imports box is checked, and then as for the input, you can see all the customizable settings here, the parameters, the style, and all of that. You can modify them according to your taste. Now, this indicator is designed to smooth out market noise and highlight clear trend and momentum shifts. It helps you to pinpoint potential reversals. All right, let's just go to a smaller time frame and let's look at this thing now real quick. So, change in state of delivery, right? We can see that when there is what looks like a break of structure, right? As for SMC traders, you will understand what I'm talking about. So what looks like a break of structure is what this indicator, paints, as CISD, right? And then we have the bullish CISD and the bearish CISD, of course. So when you have the indicator give you a signal that a change in state of delivery has occurred, you would have to be looking for buy opportunities if it occurred to the upside. Okay, but then if the CISD occurred to the downside, you would be looking out for sell opportunities. It's just as easy as that. Pretty straightforward. Okay, pretty straightforward. Now, I will recommend trading in the direction of the trend always. If the trend is bullish, I will recommend looking for only bullish opportunities, meaning taking only bullish CISD signals. And then if the trend is bearish, I will recommend taking only bearish CISD signals. All right. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.